Track 3D. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to add new users to your project in Track 3D. Start by opening your project. On the left-hand side of the screen, click the Users button. This section displays all users associated with the project, along with their roles. You can also check your own role here. To add a new user, click the Add User button, located at the top right of the screen. A prompt will appear where you can enter the user's email address. Next, assign the appropriate role: admin, collaborator, or viewer, based on the level of access you want to grant. As an admin, you can modify user roles and permissions at any time. Once you've assigned a role, click Add User to complete the process. You can also create custom roles. To do this, navigate to the Roles and Permissions section. Click the Create Role button at the top right, and define the permissions as needed. Please note, users who are not yet registered with Track 3D will receive an email invitation to join the platform. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@track3d.ai. Thank you for using Track 3D.